Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this series, you're going to see 25 days of trade analysis. I am calling it 25 days of Tradesmas. In this Tradesmas series, if you are going to be watching it, I highly suggest that you take the opportunity to be participating in the giveaway. I would love to give back to you guys in the YouTube world who have supported me and followed me. I am always very interactive in the trading floor community, but I know there's a ton of you who have followed me for a while who aren't in there, and I want to be able to give back to YouTube as well. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for all of your guys' support here on my YouTube channel, and I am wishing you all the warmest of holidays, whatever holiday it is that you celebrate. I personally celebrate Christmas, so therefore I am doing the 25 days of Tradesmas. But whatever your holiday season is, I wish you and your family and loved ones a very warm and happy holiday season. With that being said, I am doing the giveaway here on my channel. So for every day that I do one of the Tradesmas videos, if you do any sort of interaction, if you like, comment, or subscribe, you will earn an entry to be able to qualify at the end on the 25th day to be part of the drawing that I am holding. I will draw a winner for the giveaway. I will announce the winner on the 26th of December. The prize will be to win a yearly subscription to the trading floor. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure that you are doing the likes, subscribe, and comments. Obviously, you cannot resubscribe over and over again, but don't worry. You will get 3 credit points towards that, but then every day following it, as long as you leave a like and you leave a comment, you'll get 2 additional entries for each of those. In addition to my giveaway, if you guys love giveaways, we are doing one on the Trading Floor YouTube channel as well. It's the same thing over there in order to enter as well, though it is interaction. So if you like, comment, and subscribe over there with that channel, you are going to be entered into a drawing at the end on the 27th as well. We will draw a name for somebody to win a $1,000 cash prize. You do have to have PayPal to accept this prize, so make sure that you can accept PayPal if you're going to go over there and enter into it. But I think that's a really nice prize. I think most people this time of year would love to have $1,000 extra. So make sure that you guys are also checking out the Tradesmas that we are doing on the trading floor. And there are lots of styles of trading happening over there on their Tradesmas. You will see all of our live streamers and our staff submitting videos. So if breakout trading isn't really your thing, or maybe my style isn't your thing, no worries. Go check out the Trading Floor's YouTube and make sure you are subscribing, and commenting for an opportunity to win $1,000 cash prize at the end. Okay, guys, let's get into the video, and happy holidays. Hello and Merry Christmas Eve. Today is 24 days of Tradesmas. In today's video, I'm going to show you a little bit of multi-time frame analysis and why I took a trade on the 5-minute, 15-minute, but also used a 1-hour overall analysis. So let's jump into this. So what you'll see here is that I am on US30, and I am showing you the 15-minute time frame because it's kind of the easiest one to follow along with. But just know that when it came to entering, I did drop to the 5-minute. I'll explain that once we get into the entry. But I also was using a 1-hour support and resistance level as far as the levels for breaking out of and retesting, which is usually more indicative of a stronger break. So if you guys are looking to use multi-time frame analysis, I do that a lot with my zones. You'll find that you can actually get a stronger break. So that does actually help a lot when you're looking to do multi-time frame analysis. What you'll see here is that I did have a break of a 1 hour. So my 1 hour zone was this zone here. So this is my support of my 1 hour. This was my resistance. And you can see where I'm pointing to the breakout of it. So this was the bullish candle that breaks out of it with your little Stairmaster sneaker. And that was a really great breakup. However, at the time of night, it was not trading. This is during Tokyo session, and I typically don't trade Tokyo session. So it wasn't at all really looking to get in at this point. However, it does all night long consolidate for, over Tokyo and into London session, and then does get a little push up here. And then it comes back in to retest your breakout of your resistance, which is a really good sign. Fails to come below and make a new lower low and starts to push back up, creating market structure. So this was a really good sign to me once I saw the retest of the zone and a push back into the new zone that we are trading within. What I was waiting for to see though is just to see if we would like come above and create new market structure. Again, this is like a pretty normal thing for me, whether I'm using Happy Trout or using Stairmaster. So for those of you who are looking at Stairmaster, like you could still look at those Happy Trout videos. I did the analysis as far as like how I mark my zones. It's still the same. I like to see market structure being recreated. So I was waiting to see a sneaker, which was here, an upright sneaker, and then I was just waiting for the candle to like break above. So while this one was an upright sneaker, and yes, this technically would have played out right, it never created a new higher high here. And I really like to see higher highs created. I don't want to just jump the gun and potentially get stuck in like what would have been consolidation and maybe a potential reversal down. I was waiting to see this nice bullish candle, and this one did break above here. This is forming, and I did get it at a better price because I did jump down to the 5-minute time frame, like I said, to get like that better refined entry. I've talked about that in previous videos as well, so you guys can check out those videos in Tradesmas and see what I mean by that. But I did drop down to a lower time frame just to get a better entry. And as far as the stop loss goes, I was just under my zone. I wasn't really worried about this zone too much because we had already started creating a new like floor support area here. You can see all these touches of price. So that was pretty good floor for me. And we already retested the previous zone, like a good retest of that previous zone. So I wasn't too worried about price coming back to that. And I was comfortable kind of just hanging out under our new support floor. And as far as the take profit goes, I was looking to target this area to the left. So you can see that I have this purple zone marked up, and that was the top of my new zone that I was working in. That would be my new resistance. So I was looking to target that. I did get a little over it. I did let it run a tiny bit into there. So you guys will see, I got like a 1.6 R instead of a 1.5. But I did mark for a 1.5 originally, and I do believe I I was watching this because this went pretty quickly, and it's during like my normal hours anyway, so I was watching it, and I did let it just like go a little bit more because I was considering trailing this more than I did because I did move and secure it to break even at 1R, and I considered trailing it, but I didn't, so I decided to let it just close out at 1.6. But anyway, this was something I did think about. Maybe I would let it break through because there was a lot of momentum happening, but I was fine to take my money. Like, I'm pretty big on this too if I'm trading. And again, I had been trading on this account now for a couple of days, so it's like the 11th, and I already had a lot of profit running. So like, I wasn't trying to lose anything on this account. If I had a guaranteed 1.6, I was going to take that reward, and I did. So anyway, that is my trade for this. It was a pretty clean breakout retest using Stairmaster, but also using like a higher time frame zone, which I don't know if I've talked about like enough maybe, but I do use them. So definitely use your higher time frame support and resistance or zones, and you can drop down to lower time frames to help you get better entries. But these higher time frame zones are really strong, and when you get a break from them, you definitely can get some really nice moves. So I would definitely suggest looking into some multi-time frame analysis with your trade. Okay, you guys, Merry Christmas Eve, and I will see you all tomorrow for the last day of Tradesmas.